Samsung is gearing up for an electrifying year in foldables, with reports hinting at a jaw-dropping lineup of 5 foldable devices in 2025. A fresh leak has set the tech world abuzz. Samsung is actively developing 3 next-generation foldables: the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Z Fold 7, and an all-new budget-friendly Z Flip model poised to redefine the foldable experience like never before. Renowned insider Max Jambor has revealed that Samsung's 2025 foldable lineup includes models codenamed B7, B7R, and Q7. Specifically, B7 and Q7 correspond to the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, while B7R could be the game-changing, affordable flip-style foldable, bringing Samsung's cutting-edge foldable tech to an even wider audience. These groundbreaking devices are expected to take center stage at Samsung's Unpacked event in the second half of 2025. But wait, there's more. Samsung might have 2 more foldables up its sleeve. The company is rumored to be working on a Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition successor and, wait for it, the highly anticipated Galaxy Trifold. If true, this would mark an extraordinary leap forward in foldable innovation. While the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 are expected to deliver hardware upgrades, Samsung may not introduce a major camera overhaul this time. Instead, the focus could be on next-gen OLED displays, promising superior quality, efficiency, and a more immersive experience. As for the budget-friendly Z Flip model, it's reportedly set for a limited production run, raising questions about its global availability. However, if Samsung nails the pricing, this foldable could be a game-changer, making foldables more accessible than ever before. The excitement doesn't stop there. Samsung could have 2 more foldable surprises before 2025 ends. In 2024, the company introduced the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, an exclusive model for China and South Korea. Now, rumors suggest a new special edition foldable could return with a sleeker design and refined features. But the real showstopper? The long-awaited Galaxy Trifold, potentially launching in Q4 2025. With panel production rumored to start in July, this could be Samsung's boldest move yet, pushing the limits of foldable technology like never before. Samsung is rewriting the rules of foldable durability with the game-changing Galaxy Z Fold 7. This next-generation marvel isn't just another upgrade, it's a bold statement. Featuring an ultra-reinforced design, groundbreaking engineering, and a sleeker-than-ever form factor, the Z Fold 7 stands as the most resilient and sophisticated foldable Samsung has ever created. According to insider Pan Flash, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to become the toughest foldable smartphone in history. Samsung has gone all in on durability, introducing an advanced internal reinforcement structure, a completely redesigned hinge, and an innovative dust protection system that takes longevity to a whole new level. One of the most exciting additions is the revolutionary hinge dust protective brushes, meticulously engineered to keep debris at bay and ensure seamless, long-lasting performance. The redesigned gap-free hinge not only boosts durability, but also enhances the phone's sleek, premium aesthetics. This monumental leap in engineering is a testament to Samsung's unwavering commitment to crafting foldables that are stronger, slimmer, and more reliable than ever before. With these enhancements, the Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse, more durable, more powerful, and more refined than anything before it. If you were hoping for a radical design overhaul, you might be disappointed. At first glance, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 doesn't seem like a massive departure from the Fold 6, but don't count it out just yet. There are some key upgrades to get excited about. First, the bigger inner display. The Fold 7 is rumored to feature a massive 8.2-inch inner screen, a significant jump from the 7.6-inch panel we've had since the Fold 2. This would officially make it the largest book-style foldable yet. Next, a slimmer design. Despite the larger screen, Samsung is reportedly making the Fold 7 even thinner. If the leaks are accurate, it will measure just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, down from 5.6 millimeters on the Fold 6. That's nearly a full millimeter shaved off while expanding the display, a huge engineering feat. And finally, the camera upgrade. The Fold 7 might finally ditch the 50-megapixel main camera that's been recycled since the Fold 4 in favor of a 200-megapixel sensor. If true, this could be the camera leap Samsung foldables have been waiting for. But not everything is perfect. As exciting as these upgrades sound, there are still some major letdowns. like the battery and charging, remain unchanged. The Fold 7 is still expected to have a 4400 mAh battery with 25 watts charging, the same setup we've had since the Fold 3. Meanwhile, competitors like Honor and Oppo are pushing well past 5000 mAh and 66 watts charging. While some refinements are happening, the Fold 7 appears to be sticking with the same aesthetic we've seen for years. Samsung's foldables are long overdue for a serious visual refresh. Samsung's 2025 foldable lineup is shaping up to be its most ambitious and groundbreaking yet. With multiple models spanning different price points and form factors, Samsung is on track to dominate the foldable market like never before. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.